Welcome to EasyEuge, the channel to help you to learn maths super easy, super fast. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to multiply mixed numbers and multiply mixed fractions. So if you're ready, let's get started. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click like on this video, and make sure that you watch all the way through to the end for question of the day. Multiplying mixed numbers. So we know that a mixed number is a whole number and a fraction. So this question is 1.5 multiplied by 2.5. So there we see we have two mixed numbers. So how do we go about multiplying these two? The first step that we do is to convert the mixed number into a fraction. Okay, so how do we do that? 1.5 is 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So that's 3 over 2. And we multiply that fraction by 2.5. 2 2's are 4 plus 1 is 5. That's 5 over 2. To multiply your fractions, you just multiply the top two numbers, then you multiply the bottom two numbers. So that equals 3 by 5 is 15 on the top, and on the bottom it's 2 multiplied by 2, it's 15 over 4. So this is a fraction. We need to convert this back into a mixed number. So how do we do that? How many times will 4 go into 15 fully? I know it will go in 1, 2, 3 times. So 3 4s are 12. It'll definitely go in 3 full times. 3 4s are 12. And another 3 would have brought you up to 15. So you have 3 left over. So there's 3 quarters left over. So 15 over 4 is 3 and 3 quarters. It's your mixed number answer. Question 2 is 2 4/5 multiplied by 1 2/3. So let me show you what we're going to cover in this example. Let's start by writing it down again. 2 4/5 multiplied by 1 2/3. So as always, when multiplying mixed numbers, the first step is to convert the mixed numbers into fractions. So let's do that. 2 4/5. That is 2 times 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14, divided by 5. We'll multiply that fraction by 1 2/3. 1 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5. That's 5 over 3. There we go. So before we go straight ahead and very simply multiply the two top numbers, then multiply the two bottom numbers, always look for opportunities to simplify the fractions. What I can do now, I see that we have a 5 here and a 5 here. So they have a relationship. I could divide both of those by 5. So let's do that. Let's divide 5 by 5, and that'll turn into a 1. And we'll divide this 5 by 5, and that'll turn into a 1. So let's rewrite what this looks like. That is 14 over 1 multiplied by 1 over 3. And when we go ahead and multiply all of that out, 14 by 1 is 14. 1 times 3 is 3, and that is our fraction answer. What we need to do now is to convert this into a mixed number. So how many times will 3 go into 14? It will go in 4 full times. That'll bring us up to 12, and another 2. So that's 4 2/3. The last example of multiplying mixed numbers is 3 1/3 multiplied by 3 3/5. Let's write that down. 3 1/3 multiplied by 3 3/5. Okay, as we know now, let's just go straight ahead and convert these mixed numbers into fractions. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10. That's 10 over 3. And we multiply it by 3 5s are 15 plus 3 is 18 over 5. 18 over 5. Now, as always, let's look for opportunities to simplify. I can see between the 3 and the 18, we can divide both of those numbers by 3. And between the 10 and the 5, we can divide both of those by 5. So let's rewrite that down. Let's take the 3 and the 18. 3 divided by 3 is 1. That would be on the bottom. And the number on the top, 18 divided by 3 is 6. And over here, the 10 and the 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And let's multiply that out. 2 by 6 is 12. 1 by 1 is 1. So 12 over 1 is very simply 12. Okay, what would happen if we didn't do this simplify? Okay, we would have ended up carrying straight on over here. Let's do it. 10 times 18 is 180. 3 5s are 15. Now this is a very tricky fraction to then start simplifying. So you can see it is quite hard. So always look for opportunities to simplify, to make your life so much easier and to help you get the right answer quicker. Welcome to Question of the Day. So this is your chance to use what you've learned in the video. So today's question is 2 1/4 multiplied by 1 2/3. So it's a mixed number multiplied by a mixed number. So good luck everybody in working this one out, and when you get your answer, leave your answer in the comments of the video. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you all again in the next video.